Hello and welcome to a brief demonstration on how to use LaTeX in Blackboard Ultra. For this brief demonstration, we're going to demonstrate a few LaTeX commands that are pretty common to use when typesetting some mathematical expressions. So let's say we wish to type in a fraction. You can go under the Insert Content and the Math icon and use a structure similar to Microsoft Equation Editor, or you can type in $2 and DFRAC, curly brace 1, curly brace 2, and then close it off with two more $signs. And if you hit Save, then you have a fraction. In this case, the fraction 1/2. So Blackboard Ultra does understand LaTeX commands. I do realize that sometimes the compiler doesn't quite compile all of them in a state in a block or question block. That's not really that it doesn't understand LaTeX. That's a compiler issue. Their compiler gets timed out. So if we wanted to type in another command, type in the square root of, let's just say, the sum of x and 2, then we can hit $, backslash, square root, curly brace, x plus 2, ending curly brace, two more $signs. And if we hit the Save button, then we can see that we have the radical x plus 2. So again, we can use LaTeX commands for mathematical typesetting. For those that are familiar with it, you can use these commands. It saves a little bit of time when instead of going through the insert content. The next command, let's say that we wish to type in some calculus typesetting. Let's just do some calculus typesetting. So if we had dfrac dy dx, that would be the derivative, or let's say the integral from 1 to 2 of x squared plus natural log x minus sine x dx. And if I hit Save on this, then we can see that we do have some calculus style typesettings going on here as well. And this is, again, just a brief demonstration of how to use LaTeX in Blackboard Ultra. Remember that in order to make it work, you have to know the LaTeX commands, but you also need to capture them inside double $signs in order to get the LaTeX to operate correctly. So I hope you take some of this and do some LaTeX typesetting if you want your documents to look pretty good, and if you want to avoid using the math equation editor here. So I thank you for your time and attention.